Hi beautifuls, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am doing a tropical smoothie bowl. So today we have pineapple, we have some frozen peaches, some frozen mango. I have half a banana. This is gonna add some creaminess to the smoothie. And then I also have the other half of the banana that we sliced up and I'm gonna put on top for the toppings. And then I also have some shaved coconut as well. And then I'll probably put some frozen peaches on the top. And then you're gonna need a fourth a cup. You're gonna need fourth a cup of orange juice. Just to be safe, you can always add more, but you don't wanna add too much because then you'll have a runny smoothie bowl. So I have about a cup of each fruit. I have half a banana and then a cup of the mangoes, pineapple, and peaches. So here I just have my Vitamix blender. On the top, I'm gonna take this middle piece out. I'm gonna use this tamper to push the sides down so it gets all the fruit all blended. So here we have our cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, half a banana. Now we're gonna take our orange juice and we're gonna pour 1/4 cup. And then I think that's it. Put the lid on, and then we're gonna start blending. Okay guys, so for my first ever smoothie bowl, I think this was a success. I'm so excited for you guys to make it. Don't forget, use frozen fruit so it's nice and thick, and also orange juice makes it much more flavorful. So I'm just gonna top this bowl with some fresh fruit, and it is all set to go. I hope you guys enjoy if you decide to make it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!